America is a melting pot of cultures, and with this diversity comes a rich tapestry of culinary traditions. In this documentary, we explore the top 5 healthy eating habits that have taken root in the United States, transforming the way Americans think about food and well-being. The number 1 trend, farm-to-table movement. First on our list is the farm-to-table movement. This movement has been gaining momentum over the past few decades, transforming the way we think about food and dining. It's a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of sourcing ingredients directly from local farms, ensuring that the food we consume is as fresh and nutritious as possible. The farm-to-table movement is not just a fleeting trend, it's a return to our roots, a reconnection with the land and the people who cultivate it. This trend emphasizes sourcing food directly from local farms, ensuring that meals are made with the freshest, most nutritious ingredients. By cutting out the middlemen, restaurants and consumers can enjoy produce that is often harvested just hours before it reaches the table. This not only enhances the flavor and nutritional value of the food, but also supports local economies and reduces the environmental impact associated with long-distance transportation. The farm-to-table movement encourages a more sustainable and ethical approach to food production and consumption. It's not just about taste, it's about transparency, supporting local farmers, and reducing our carbon footprint. When you dine at a farm-to-table restaurant, you can often find detailed information about where each ingredient comes from, giving you a deeper appreciation for the food on your plate. This transparency fosters a sense of trust and connection between diners and farmers. Additionally, by choosing locally sourced ingredients, we reduce the need for extensive transportation and storage, which in turn lowers greenhouse gas emissions and helps combat climate change. The farm-to-table movement is a holistic approach that benefits our health, our communities, and our planet.
The farm-to-table movement has really taken off. Farmers' markets have become a popular destination for those seeking fresh, locally grown produce. These markets provide a vibrant space where farmers and consumers can interact directly, fostering a sense of community and mutual support. Shoppers can ask questions about how the food was grown, learn about different varieties of fruits and vegetables, and even get cooking tips from the farmers themselves. This direct connection helps build trust and encourages more people to support local agriculture. More people want to know where their food comes from and how it's grown. Farm tours and agritourism have become increasingly popular, offering a unique opportunity for people to see firsthand how their food is produced. These experiences can be educational and eye-opening, helping to bridge the gap between urban and rural communities. Visitors can learn about sustainable farming practices, witness the hard work and dedication that goes into growing food, and gain a greater appreciation for the importance of supporting local farmers. Agritourism also provides an additional source of income for farmers, helping to sustain their operations and preserve agricultural land. It's been a game changer for local agriculture, helping us farmers connect directly with the community. Community-supported agriculture, CSA programs have also become a key component of the farm-to-table movement. In a CSA, consumers purchase a share of a farm's harvest in advance, providing farmers with much-needed financial support at the beginning of the growing season. In return, they receive a regular supply of fresh, seasonal produce throughout the year. This model benefits both farmers and consumers, creating a more stable and predictable market for farmers, while giving consumers access to high-quality, locally grown food. The farm-to-table movement is about more than just food. It's about building relationships, supporting local economies, and creating a more sustainable and resilient food system for the future.
Second habit, the rise of plant-based diets. Next, we dive into the plant-based diet revolution. This movement has been gaining momentum over the past few years, transforming the way people think about food and nutrition. From grocery stores expanding their plant-based sections to farmers markets offering a plethora of vegan options, the shift is evident everywhere. More Americans are embracing vegetarian and vegan lifestyles, and this trend is not just a passing fad. It's becoming a significant part of our culture. Families are coming together to cook plant-based meals, and friends are exploring new vegan restaurants. The social aspect of eating is evolving, with more people finding joy in sharing plant-based dishes. Motivated by health, environmental concerns, and animal welfare, individuals are making conscious choices about what they consume. Animal rights protests and environmental activism are on the rise, highlighting the ethical and ecological benefits of a plant-based diet. Community gardens are flourishing, providing fresh, local produce to neighborhoods and fostering a sense of community and sustainability.
A plant-based diet offers numerous health benefits. It's rich in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that are crucial for maintaining good health. Colorful plates of plant-based meals are not only visually appealing, but also packed with antioxidants and fiber, which are vital for a healthy digestive system. It can lower the risks of heart disease and diabetes. Studies have shown that a diet high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Doctors are increasingly recommending plant-based diets to their patients as a preventive measure against these conditions. Regularly checking blood pressure and maintaining a balanced diet are key components of a healthy lifestyle. And it's also great for weight management. Plant-based diets are typically lower in calories and higher in fiber, which helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Preparing a healthy salad with a variety of vegetables can be a satisfying and nutritious meal option. Many people find that they can manage their weight more effectively when they switch to a plant-based diet. Plus, it's a more sustainable way to eat, which is so important for our planet. Sustainable farming practices, such as crop rotation and organic farming, help preserve soil health and reduce the environmental impact of food production. Wind turbines and other renewable energy sources are becoming more common, reflecting a broader commitment to sustainability. Recycling and reducing waste are also integral parts of this lifestyle, contributing to a healthier planet for future generations. In conclusion, the rise of plant-based diets is a multifaceted movement that encompasses health, environmental sustainability, and ethical considerations. As more people become aware of the benefits, it's likely that this trend will continue to grow, shaping the future of food and nutrition. Whether you're motivated by health, the environment, or animal welfare, adopting a plant-based diet can be a rewarding and impactful choice.
Third habit, mindful eating. Mindful eating is changing the way people interact with food. It's about slowing down, appreciating each bite, and tuning into the body's hunger and fullness cues.
Mindful eating has significant mental health benefits. It helps with weight management and stress reduction by promoting a healthier relationship with food.
Fourth habit, emphasis on whole foods. Whole foods are at the core of a healthy diet. These foods, which include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, are minimally processed and as close to their natural state as possible. They are packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. Unlike processed foods, which often contain artificial additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats, whole foods provide a clean and wholesome source of energy. In America, there's a growing preference for foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Foods that are free from artificial additives and rich in nutrients. This shift towards whole foods is not just a trend, it's a movement towards better health and well-being. People are becoming more aware of the impact that their food choices have on their health, and they are seeking out options that support a healthier lifestyle. Whole foods are rich in nutrients and free from artificial additives. They provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. For example, whole grains are a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to keep you feeling full longer. Nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats and protein, making them a great snack option. Fresh fruits and vegetables are loaded with vitamins and minerals that support everything from your immune system to your skin health.
Whole foods contribute to better overall health. By incorporating more whole foods into your diet, you can improve your energy levels, support your immune system, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. These foods are not only nutritious but also delicious and versatile. You can enjoy them in a variety of ways, from fresh salads and smoothies to hearty soups and stews. Whole foods can prevent chronic diseases. Studies have shown that diets rich in whole foods can reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By choosing whole foods over processed options, you are making a positive impact on your long-term health. It's important to remember that small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your meals and snacks, and gradually reduce your intake of processed foods. They provide the essential nutrients our bodies need to function properly. Whole foods are the foundation of a balanced diet, offering a wide range of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. By making whole foods a priority in your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Whether you're preparing a meal for yourself or your family, choosing whole foods is a simple and effective way to support a healthy lifestyle.
Last and fifth habit, hydration awareness. Finally, staying hydrated is essential for good health, and more Americans are becoming aware of the importance of drinking enough water. Hydration is crucial for everything from cognitive function to physical performance.
Hydration plays a vital role in maintaining energy levels and overall health. Drinking enough water is key to supporting our body's daily functions.
These 5 habits, farm-to-table plant-based diets, mindful eating, whole foods, and hydration, are more than just trends. They're paving the way for a healthier America. By embracing these practices, we can all take steps toward better health and a more sustainable future. Embrace the habits. Change your life. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.